In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create animated rain in Adobe Photoshop. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update and leave a comment to motivate us.
Graphic teacher.
First, I take Full HD canvas size, go to File and press Embedded or image which I have already downloaded from the unsplash.com. You will find link description below. Adjust the size accordingly, and for this I have already done cutout section, which you can check my other videos in the I button. So I'm not showing cutout section in this. Cutout is already done in this file. I start from this file, press Alt to check mask, how cutout is done. We are going to add a clouds in this. Go to File plus Embedded. This cloud also you get link in the description from same site. Adjust the cloud accordingly. Keep it a layer below a lady image. Adjust, hide that building. This is fine. Now we give Gaussian blur to clouds because we have to focus the lady. So Gaussian blur is enough. 12 is perfect. Okay. And give little motion blur also because we are doing a rainy effect. Zero angle 20 is looking proper. Can increase and check a quality. I think 29 is fine. We create rain effect. So first go to select solid color, take black solid color. Okay, convert to smart object to give a modifiable effects, means you can edit any filter. Going to filter, noise, add noise. 32 is already is fine. I'm not making any changes. Keep 32. Now noise is there, and go to filter again to give noise converted into rain. Go to motion blur and change the direction to 70 or 71. 70. Adjust accordingly. 71 is fine. 33 distance. This is fine for now. And change the mode to screen. But rain is not looking much clearer. I give little brightness contrast, adjust the brightness contrast, make it brightness totally minus 150 and contrast also minus 50 because I want to totally reduce the sunlight from scene. Now you have to give levels to noise and adjust the darker area little right side and lighter area to left side. Don't move middle area, middle tone, highlight to left, shadow to right. See, now this is fine. Increase the size to avoid the hazy edges. Adjust any time, and this way you can increase and decrease the amount of rain. Now this is fine for me, right? Give a little blur to rain, like 0.3 is fine. Can't be much sharper, so 0.3 is fine. And now we give little cool tone. Go to photo filter, cooling filter 82, density make it 100%. This is fine now, but the lady's face looking little contrast. I give blur to image to make sunshine little softer. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. See, now it is much more softer and look like a soft light reflecting on face. You can check, you can on off and check effect anytime. So and adjust accordingly whenever you want to add or reduce rain effect. Now the composition is ready. We are ready to animate rain now. Before that, save file, rain animation, save. To animate, go to timeline, create video timeline and convert that into frame animation, because we use some 4-5 frames to animate rain. Ctrl T to increase the rain size, duplicate, adjust the rain little down and left side, enter, duplicate again, more down and little left side, and more down and little left side. So you can play, not required the fifth frame. So this is now 5 seconds per frame. So I select all and convert it into 0.2 seconds. 0.2 second timing is proper for animation for any rain or any cycle. See, now look like a natural animation of rain. Now your animation is ready. Now you can go to file, save as for web legacy, select GIF and keep it image size under 1000 only. See, this is preview to check how our final output. Thank you. If you liked my video, Please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thanks a lot.